Hey guys, what is up today? We are going to talk about, let's just say, Adobe Premiere Pro had released its new iOS and Android is coming soon of Premiere Pro Rush. Remember that one video that I had released about the Project Rush? Well, this is the the revealing of it. And I'm going to do a test run of it with tutorials with Stephanie. So this is tutorials with, let's get started right now. Getting into Premiere, I would recommend jumping from Final Cut to this application because you're starting out into Premiere. I had not had that choice, so I actually had to learn the basics of the older versions of Adobe Premiere. I actually started from CS4 version. I actually did a little bit of CS3, then I went to CS4, then I went to CS5, and then I jumped from CS5 to CS6. I don't recommend using CS6, okay, because it's very glitchy. And then after CS6, it came to just becoming CC. As you know, as right now. Oh wow, it's a software. Okay. Although Adobe Premiere is mainly the city streets. Whoever does these artworks, I would recommend using some of my artwork. Oh, this started in 1991. Wow. Okay. Okay, never mind. No, wait a minute. That was from Adobe started in 1991. Okay, because I know Premiere Push is not 1991. I'm like, okay. Anyway. So, if you're out there and you are beginning to be a video editor, and you have used mainly the Apple software of Final Cut and iMovie, and you are wanting to jump into Premiere, I would jump into this new one that they release because it looks just like iMovie. It looks just like iMovie and it just looks like Final Cut Pro. They actually took, the difference between that is the multi-tracks. They have the multi-tracks and they might not have the magnetic timeline. It's probably going to be, looks a little bit like what Premiere Pro has with the timeline of this. Yes, I need to reboot my computer because it's frozen. Or I'm just going to reboot the application. Anyway, as soon as I load this, I'm going to see how this tests out. Yeah. Okay. So that is what it is on that. Okay, can I load? I'm actually going to test this out for you guys into tutorials with Stephanie in my next one. It'll probably be released in the next week or so. Okay. I want to release it today because it was launched yesterday. But I might release it today. We'll see. We'll see how my editing skills go fast. That's the thing about editing. You have to work as fast as you can to edit. You know, just like me. I have done a lot of events, you know. I've done press events. Mainly Trump rallies, but I've done the press. I don't care about politics. Especially him saying fake news. We're not fake news, okay? There's nothing fake about my news. I cover technology news. I don't cover your news. If you say technology news is fake, I'm like, really? This is fake? This is fake? This is not fake, this is real. I'm shooting a camera and I'm pointing at my computer of what I'm doing. You know? On my computer and talking about the software. That's not fake! fake. Okay? So I'm not talking about politics. I don't like talking about politics. Honey, okay? Make sure you subscribe for more videos if you don't want any. If you don't like people talking about politics on the news, make sure you subscribe to me, okay? Because I don't talk about politics. I am not like that, what's that show called on ABC? Called, oh, what is that show called? They talk like politics all the time on there. Okay, you get a white screen. The screen. The white screen of death, everyone. And through your Instagram story, through your Final Cut Pro, not Final Cut Pro, I mean through YouTube, through Instagram story, and if you are on Instagram, follow me. I'm on Instagram at Series Live, okay? You could put anything, your Facebook page, yeah, that's right. You can instantly access when you hit like the share button up here. You can instantly access. You can share it through your Instagram, through your YouTube channel. Literally export right from there, from the video editing software. So that is pretty much it. Yeah, I'm gonna edit. I probably have a lot to edit. Yeah. So that's pretty much it. That's what it is. There are, I think there's text up here you can check out. I wonder how the text looks. Oh. Ow! Okay. So yeah, you drag a text on here. And then the transitions, move from transition mode. And then color effects. I guessing it's the filters. If you want to like create like a black and white movie, you can. And then the audio, if you want to do a voiceover, a crop. So we're in tutorial mode, so we can't do as much in tutorial mode, but you can do much in regular mode if you need to. So this is only a test. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for more videos like this, and make sure you follow me all over the internet at Series Live.